Good morning, guys. So today is 21st September 2023, and it marks a very special day for me because today will be the last day for me driving this F20 1 Series 118i M Sports LCI model from 2017. So yep, I'm selling this car and I'm getting a new car which will be revealed later. So I just want to quickly talk about my experience, my 4-year experience with this 1 Series F20 that comes with a B38 3-cylinder engine. So I bought this car used in 2019. So it was a 2-year-old car when I bought it, and it was still under warranty. So it's actually my first BMW or first Continental car. So I didn't really do a lot of research when I made my decision to purchase this car. And I get to know my sales agent from I think the BMW 1 Series Malaysia Facebook page group, and and I have actually told everyone in the group that I was looking for a F20 1 Series and a bit of some opinions about the car, things like that. So my sales agent spotted me, and and she showed me this car. So it's an M Sport model 2017, which is just 2 years old, with a low mileage of 20,000 km. And straight away, it was like a love at first sight. So I went to see the car, and it was a heavy rainy day, and I wasn't even got to test drive the car because I believe it's some sort of policy that you don't get to test drive a car during a rainy day. So it was like a love at first sight. I sat in the cabin, touch and feel it, and yep, immediately I made my mind. I paid my booking, and I bought it with little or no knowledge about the engine capacities and things like that. And after I got the car, which is a 118i B38 engine, 3 cylinders, then only I realized that, oh, okay, so BMW cars actually come in a few variants. So for example, the 1 Series, you have the 118i for the entry level model, and then you get a 120i, and even better 140i, things like that. So but I think this 1 Series in 2019, this is actually the last batch for the 1 Series for BMW Malaysia to bring in the 1 Series model. So they only bring in 118i with B38 engine and M Sports, and I think those that bought in 2018, it comes with in shadow editions with some digital look-alike clusters, and you have iDrive 5, I believe, or iDrive 6, which allows you to upgrade or activate the Apple CarPlay thingy, things like that, and some different design on the dashboard, and that's the Shadow Editions. So this is 2017 model, not the Shadow Editions, and you still have the analog cluster and everything, but more or less the engine and things are the same. So yeah, and after that I started to get to know my 1 Series community better, started to come out for car meet, go for Genting ride, and we had a lot of fun memories and adventures together. But in my opinion, B38 engine is quite a reliable engine. At least it doesn't suffer oil leakages, and it hardly had any problems. I mean, especially for me myself. And a lot of the most common thing that we've heard about the B38 engine is the turbochargers problem. But I'm fortunate enough not to have this problem. So my experience with this 1 Series was kind of pleasant. So yeah, today is the last day I'm spending my time with this cool guy here. So hopefully you will find a new owner who appreciate it probably much better than me. I've been pampering this car a lot, and I even did what do you call that, the gearbox oil change, the ATF oil change, and I did the walnut blasting for the engine, and I even did auto foam for better driving experience. So all these sweet memories, adventures, you can still look back in my YouTube channel, which I have documented all my past experience with this car. And I'm so glad that a lot of F20 owners who actually bought the car after watching my videos on YouTube. So yes, I'm glad to help. One of the reasons that I also decided to change the car is because probably I'm looking for a bigger car so that it's more comfortable, especially the my parents. They have been complaining about this car being too low because yes, I have fitted the H&R sport spring. Yeah, so yes, I'm changing to a more comfortable car, which I will reveal later. So I'll see you guys later at the showroom for my new car collection. Okay, here we are, the last stop for my F20. We are here at Sim Derby Auto Selection. Oh, so many cars today. Alright, this is it. The farewell to my car. Bye. My new car, the X3 X30i.我 OK 嘅，咁我上車坐下先。頭先你講嗰個佢嘅另外一隻響嗰個Owner's Manual 入邊。有呢度嗎？我知啊。哦 ，OK。Okay, let's go. This is my new ride, X30 M30i, and I'm gonna first thing is to do is to refuel the car. Come on. And why do I choose X3? Because like I have said earlier, it is for more. I'm looking for a more comfortable vehicle where my family members can enjoy the ride better, and that's why I go for SUV. Although I'm still a sedan guy, but my wife have been against it, so I thought yeah, probably it's time for me to go get an SUV. So yep, this is the one, very sought after model. In fact, the X3 M Sport X30i, X Drive, the LCI one especially, because this is actually a 2022 years car, which is 1 year old, and yeah, it's not easy to find it actually on the used market. And I have been actually telling my sales agent to check for me if there's a stock that available, and quickly tell me, and then yeah, somehow I only managed to get it after a month of look-see sourcing, and yeah, this is the one. And it's a carbon black, which looks a bit like a very dark blue, but there's a lower spec variant, which is the S Drive 20i, but I thought, based on my lesson learned when I bought the 118i, I thought probably I should go for the higher spec, so that I don't have a reason to regret. So this is it, the 252 horsepower B48 2.0 turbo engine. So I'm gonna share with you guys more on this car when I familiarize it, all the things and things like that. Ding ding dong dong. And now I'm gonna enjoy my drive. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.